On our last video, I showed you how to control a servo using 555 timers and potentiometers. What do you got there? This is the Arduino Nano. This has been programmed to take the input of the potentiometers and control the servos. So stick around and I'm going to show you how we're going to wire this up to control demo arm better than we've ever controlled it before. Here I have the Arduino Nano. I'm connecting the red wire to the 5-volt pin and the black wire to the ground. Next, I'm going to use the yellow and green wires for pins 9 and 10. That will be the sensors for the servos. And then I have this black and white wire that I'm going to use for the potentiometers. And they'll go to analog pins 0 and 1. On the right side of the breadboard, I have two blue potentiometers. I'm connecting the white and black wires to the center of each of them. And now I'm grabbing the yellow and green wire and putting them into the yellowish wire on the servos for signal. The left side of the breadboard is where I'm connecting my battery pack. My red positive wire will be on the rail with the yellow button, and I'll pick any row for the black ground. Remember, each row makes its own circuit. Now my electromagnet is grounded and has its power supply coming from the yellow button. In the corners of the potentiometers, there's the number 1 and 3. Number 1 will be for the 5-volt, and 3 is the ground. And you can see from the right side of the breadboard, I'm going to have them powered off of the same rail. Now it's just a matter of connecting red wires to the servo's red wire for power, and black wires for my ground rail to the servo's brownish wire for ground. On the left side of the breadboard, I've actually run out of space for the positive and negative wires, but on the right side, I still have some space on my potentiometers, ground and positive. So it's really important to remember to use the correct colors because the blue wires are below my red wires on the right side that I'm going to use for blue for ground and red for positive. I already have the code uploaded on the Arduino Nano, so now demo arm works. And here's a close-up look at the breadboard. Demo arm was built to move ping pong balls. I can control each potentiometer with a flathead screwdriver that turns the servos, and press the button to activate the claw. Slam dunk.